ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduke cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya bwigo chire cyamache inyaranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati gwekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bate emixer iyo gwocho banya chirangi wikabuno raganye gwocho ganiri erangi biga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na mwokwege namuna ekale ya watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex muri umucyuyigo musongo eyerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene ringi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Gitembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Werire bya umwanjwa umurigarari tukaliga hali aramesi chitariki sana mocho mutinyo kabere umwaka no bwekirubere na 2025 chinga kyamange yagenda koneke wachinsemo nabano etaro yomuraibu kiama kya ODM muskiraira Amolo Odinga imejero gurogusi egati etaro yagenda gukora asinsemo bunenjira ya muyokolya ebirengereri igoro yegatambukiro arachikobaga kwemukia kya gesiesa ekyo kubwatakana amone chingo arachikoba gagosoa ase serikali yo muraibu enso muskiri ya murito ya Kenya Kwanza eliyo kubwatrana amonere ime upload best governments naboigo ase county ya Kisii nigo ebikore bibiri byanyatoka bikane kwa chinsemo ase abantu babire ba negative gusiriya amagimabo abakagerwa abo boibi gosoboke bago ase chinsemo che Sombogo Marani kendu kanikiwa amo nomo county commander Charles Kesesi kwa somo county commander we county ya Kisii omuske Charles Kesesi yuna mango mwanju murigereri nje nigongoro kwa Aaron Ototo Nyaingiri utokubwatira na Aircon bimenyeriro ni gako gwisa makoli na aya negatiali na kwariganirie emagoro ya lero.
That is something that we'll deal with when the actual time comes up. Mr. Matiang'i has not, as things stand, come up to speak, to declare that he wants to run for the presidency.
Muraiwe kiama gia ODM gutarira orogongo rwa Gusii buna njira ya mekolgia ebirengereri igoro y'umwerekeo ye ogesiasa.
The suspects started shooting at our officers, and fire exchange ensued, and whereby 4 suspects were fatally injured.
Abakagirwa bane boboibi gusaganwa chinsemo chia sombogo marani babiri babo gusiria amagimabo.
Namakara matitari komekwa onyetera tabokibwa
ndu atagokura tagoteba tobekerwa maramu erine nendu tobwanera buna abantu bande babwanera tane parere ngiya
abamenyi betono egotoka imeye wodi ya Bugichora West Mugirango ko murunganiria okorosi wa wepara embe. Mwanju murigereria kiunga chinsa ibire nigo togochaka netara yaye omoraibu kiama gia ODM omoskerera Moro Odinga ime ye county ya Kisii achinsa mocha ATC sanyala kabaka kumirana nabarai aho bakura wa Gavana bwe county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati ase eganga yayo koligia ebirengereri kurwa saba Kenya bonsi magiga yaye kwimukia gatambukiro kiage siasa kolengana ne chingumahani gekagera na omoskerera Moro Odinga nigara chikobwatesia omorai wose omoraibu ense moske William Ruto ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza inse yeliabuliria broad based government na litukolia lero nigo omoskerera Odinga kabaka omo waziri korobo brand bwe ime omoske Fred Okenga Sokia na gotabuna gosena gotaba gose ngoboli yarekero kyo president gostari chikoboli umwaka bwe chiribubere na 2025 roboti yoruo ni rwariganirwa no muri kito Daniel Ontiri
Chinsanye ne chitaika sano chemambia ya lero chinsa chi Afrika ya mocha Umurai wekiama gia ODM moske Raila Odinga ni gata chance hase county ya Kisii asensemo yokwana na migerio yoburemi ya ATC hase gikaro nabarai kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii egati yabalia bayikirana asenseme ngamuno mugavana we county ya Kisii moske Simbarati amuno mokonye moske Lijo Bebo mokonyi b'umugavana we county ya Nyamira moske James Ondicho Gesami Mosko badia barongo kurwase bunge ya bumachoge burabu Irene Mayaka omujumbo mochore gati ya barayi banda bange ege kalekiga nigo kyaringete omoske Raila osangereria ebirengererio asisabali yae ya gesiasa uchasa matukale bosyo na kukwaneregoro yense ya Kenya nichinga kichogo sanga nabali kyamangana egekegeke magaga yogokori gekalekyo Moske Raila otebaiga.
The leadership here have expressed their concerns about many things that are affecting the Kenyan people.
Chinga kicho omentabuna ichiga ni chinga ki cha magendero. Ni chinga ki cha siasa tichiraika chinga ki cheli bolio igoro yoyo kabiro mwaziri w'uburendi wa imaiga Kenya. Moske Fred Okengo Matiang'i hase chinkuma chiogo chikoligia ekirogo kyoborai wense hasobo choli bole bosyo.
That is something that we'll deal with when the actual time comes up. Mr. Matiang'i has not, as things stand, come up to speak, to declare that he wants to run for the presidency.
Asense mwende ni gamu mochia umarai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto asemerobalio au ya magendero ye kwa mete gati abo murobalio bokwene no buwenia osha chibese chinke chikobotu kwa wachase chi county murobalio wa affordable housing no kwama wechichiro au egento abolia kogororwa limolioka.
Talked about inadequate funding coming to the counties, which is again a national issue, but the MCAs here have talked about reduction in allocation of funding to county assemblies, which is across board.
Oteba buna egechandeta barayi bange aige Kenya no bukurumi bwanalia nabarai ababegete chinda cyabo bosyo bagento kirire ense ya Kenya ko basabe kimagendero.
Generally our country has reached this place because of lack of proper attention to critical issues.
Nonye nabo hitaro y'umurai w'ekiama ikiga gia ODM Muske Raila Odinga asorogongo rwogusi nigo yatiga bangi na mabulio kubwatikana no gutaikirano kwegati y'abarai kurwase county ya Kisii neria ya Nyamira igati abo museneta we county ya Kisii Muske Richard Monyonka Mbunge we bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba Muske Daniel Manduko uli we bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Muske Anthony Kibagendi Muske Timothy Wosire gati abande abo bataikirana okwikirana kwegati y'abarai abanene kurwase kiama kya UPA abo barolekana bakomoa koboko Muske Fredo Kengo Matiangichi kibere cha itire negati yarebo igatiga bange bakweyagio mutwe na gotema kweburia komanya ekirenga kiabo ngurubuterega seni kegatembe kurega se county ya Kisii leterane nguruko Daniel Untiri
na omuntu murigereri tukorigoro ase omochi obosongo nigo bakigo babere bo boibi banyatoka bakowe kubyara chingakia abanyimbo barengeso borendi banyatoka ba ambako banyora babere babwate pigipigi ase banyatoka bakowe kubyara na gusiekerwa ase egetaseni giasuneka kolengana amo no monene bo banyanyimbo gose mu county commander Charles Gases nigo babere abo batogeto bwate ebunduki na boigo amasasi amo na boigo ebyoma byobokurumi nigo boigo mo boigo omo county commander Charles Gases aboliri abantu kwerenda nakoba maiso ase chinga kechiga obo salie bogenderete.
Mr. Charles Gases, the county police commander Kisii County, and with me is the CCIO Kisii County, Madam Catherine, AP commander Mr. Kiterio, and the DCIO Kisii Central. At this point, I would like to inform you and the members of public and the entire residents of Kisii County that yesterday at around 21:50 hours we were able to get a breakthrough in our operations, which was of course led by the DCI as our lead investigation agency. In our operation that we were able to arrest 2 suspects within Kisii town near Texas petrol station. That is the junction heading to Nyamataro and Marani area. This is after an extensive investigation for the robberies that have been taking place within Suneka area, within our M-Pesa agents, and we were able to arrest 2 suspects who were on our radar. One namely James Ocheng, who was the rider, and a pillion passenger namely Gerald Okumu, both aged 35 years. And upon search, we were able to recover a pistol, Mek Banadeli, with 5 rounds of ammunition from the rider. And also we were able to recover 4 improvised metal bars from the pillion passenger, and these metal bars are able to fire rounds. These suspects are now in our custody, pending to be arraigned before court. Again today we were able to make a miscellaneous application. We requested for 30 days because we also suspect these criminals are engaged in criminal activities within the neighboring counties.
Na omuntu murigereri lituko boigo litukuligoro nigo ochomo nyanyimbo gosomone bo nyanyimbo Charles Gases ana kibna nigo na boigo kunsana na noko rutrana chimbonde kwana gatigwe a chinsamo cha Sombogo ime yebunge ya Kitutu Chache North ko chinsamo cha Marani county ya Kisii ase abantu babere ko sabaki bo bibane banyatoka abagosiria magimabo na babere gutama bale mugotama bale ne chingoma chia masasi chinsamecho nigoboigo omo tikejas kesesi abodirie bonsi agosaba ndogweso kiana komanya abo banyatoka bagosia magimabo gagara gukira bono iga tibaranya rakoba abakomanyikana.
This morning, the 6th day of March, within Marani area, that was around 01:30 hours, somewhere there, we received a distress call from members of public, and which were responded swiftly by our officers based at DCC Marani office, that there was robbery taking place within Marani township at a bakery. So upon responding, our officers arrived there. We found that the robbers have already left the place. They were able to chase them towards Sombogo Tea Factory, and upon nearing that place, Sombogo Center, the tuk-tuk make Piaggio lost control, and the suspects started shooting at our officers. And fire exchange ensued, and whereby 4 suspects were fatally injured. 2 were able to escape, and we believe they are wounded. So we have also launched an investigation to find out whether we can find the 2 who have escaped, and whether we can get the firearm that was being used by those robbers. For members of public, that they keep on providing information as they have always been doing, and we shall keep it in confidence. Let me assure members of business community within Kisii Town that we are always alert and we are ready to protect life and their properties.
Na mwanju muri tukana wikase county ya Nyamira nigawa menyewe chinsemo chia etono egotoka umusasa egwadi ya bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango bagwa sokia litukulia lero na kwa murunganalya obokalio bagenda kwanekwa kubwa muno ase para eyuwe gante kolosiko chinsemecho esiterekera ebirengo biribwenerete bamenyabo ndiko babolirie koenekia buna okaenekia buna epale yabekirwe omoromu oisaine na igokorosigwa ebirengo bisaine gotubwenerete na kobekwa nonye na makarabati mulikito Polycarp Okara nigatwalganyo robot yoruo asenjere bwekirana
Nemambe ya rero ase baligiga ikuruchinsamo cy'umusasa wika etono ebali yo egenderete ko bagekoroiswa asaba nanchi ko rwase binyole biga besoke na kurubekana na kwemurunganira igoro yo mu engineer yo koroisye pareye eyo korengana mo nabarabu etali koroiswa bunetakire
aiga tuachire orobuna bana inchi betono tokorera singenjo yebo baurayi barorobwe para yaitoro yabe to moro munjabe ke tujonse tugo chande kekera tokonda iruka miruka nandi nabuno etabekirio moro
abantu ba moro mwe bachete bakabeko moro mwenuso asande mbabegeti eba tumeta asara abe mono abatumete bone birro byeito nebi esarekari kamoranche tokorero moro mwe batumete igone tikiro mita batamanye tose
ntunta beke irimara mwaso amasasa gotira pakaga igetona na baikere timbarato bekera maro
baliga yo mujumbe korengana mo nabanyakinyura abegani go besokirie na batebabuna omunjino yorasaye igani gatari gukora imirimo yae bunetakire egento bono kyabatire amuna mabodi amange
epare tokorera neyo muchumbe Steve Mugaka nere okotoroseria wono mochando Steve mwezi miwo itonto gwanjete ebirero byeito kware gochore para munerosirie onyare gotokonya etichubuya abantu watomete mbarose tienje epare esencherengia
egente getanganyo twale metwe pare kale mwenga lebuya kabisa tobwene takoboya no chigali bero sisatu bono igama to kwana igo epare ebe kilo moromu no chigali be kitabo gerane tokoboli inkibale mete pare ye onyemba ikobeka mo muise ine inkibale kobeka mo mwenuse bitumo eye ndema to kwana iga banda ba ele mekime emeo mueye inkiyale kone ligwa iga kobekwe pare tokonye
omwele niko bagende ko bakubulia ARVC iyo mujumbe webunge ya West Mugirango Mr. Steve Mugaka wesoke na koherengane yiga eliko kuru muchando yiga asego tebekana buna epali yiga sabatu kamagega nigo yagendere ko bagikutira abange chinkoma kubwatikana mu no ogotaraishi bobuyam
abantu bekenyoro twatiramo tukorera kamuranja serikali yetu aje sitibu na jo mugambio itorende koranje para terosiri na makara matitari komekwa onye tera tabokibwa
ntu atagokura tagoteba tobekerwa maramu erine nentu tobwanera buna abantu bande babwenerete ne pare erengiya none pikipiki ego
Steve kwale gochaye bieka munyana bona igaso gwanja kwao origeria re muno mora mubikire egero tokonye buna abantu bao bagwesi mugirango
ono dokobori mweshimiwa asomoyo bwogwanja onye konyarekana atabokie para korwo musasa korwo nyunyu ebwate sironga egero nentu turarati moka abantu turatiga kwira nyagitari babunekire abana inji tebe mware gotaka
Tarika Eginko ripoti rigatasini kikia wanje tekia gatembe Kuregase pale nene kurasinse chika chabunyuni kwekasirunga Ase kinyureke igaki umusasa na bwegone tono ime ya West Mugrango Ekaunti ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
na omo wasiri bwechisami musike Julius Migosi ogamba nigo agenda tena mirobali yoko ene kiabuna omogiro bwemeremo oyo nyante kwa kanike wase University ya Technical University of Kenya onyala kabago ko ikomalio nigatabna mirobali nigenda takubekwa ni chingwana gokorwa gati yobuteneri babakoli mirema abo nabo igo na serikali kanike na amagani abo aikiraniwe ose aikiranirwe na masomo kweranirwa ase eskuru yo.
Today we've had the opportunity to meet with the union representative for the TUK University workers. These were made up of WASU officials, the KUSU officials, and the KUDEA officials. As you all know, TUK University workers and academic staff went on strike in the month of February, and we've been trying to negotiate a return to work formula. And so as a technical team between the Ministry of Education and the TUK staff and management, have worked a recovery roadmap for the university itself so that we can have a structure where we are going to have a sustainable structure in the discussions that we are having so that we have a sustainable agreement for TUK University. Majorly, we are concentrating on the areas that we need to restructure in order to ensure that going forward, and once we agree with WASU to return to work, whatever we have in place will be a sustainable goal, a sustainable structure, a sustainable program, which will enable TUK to be on a recovery path, and that will ensure that it doesn't come back to be in the doldrums that it finds itself in currently. So we had discussions around the increasing student enrollment, cost-cutting measures in various areas. We also talked about organizational structure. We also discussed areas of revenue enhancement and strengthening of the university governance and management structure. So we have been able to put on the table a proposal for the unions to ensure that we have a short-term, a medium-term, and a long-term plan to ensure that we keep the employees at work, we keep the academic staff in class, and we keep the students in class so that we do not have these very many disruptions in these universities that has led to the academic calendar being affected. So the proposal that we have, we've given it to the unions, and they are now considering that proposal, after which they will give us their opinion whether they'll accept it or not. And if they accept it, then we'll do a return to work formula, and hopefully the students will be back in class before long.
Mwanchu muri go ikirabu atokwenda omutimo mokeigo tokwera ntana batokogenda na mange imeke unga chinsa ibere kolende litangirike mani tokana sema ya kabiri studio na batokonyora obasemi bwagetembe na ere mugaka ocho inyambasura
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo rembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man, bagina ninjo.
Umba maiso komio yetamanye. Iye. Pamatabu na bantu banda umure ko mabubu na inu abayengoli. Abayengoli yani mukoro ko ngabarundi ko sikintereba usaba kandi kipikipiki. Aya no moyengoli. Abo bantu muna okwana mukona kwaera mangana abuiko bande ni abakoligerete bantomba maiso miyo etamutokumanya kiyo ndarengerete. To komanya pi. Bantomba maiso bantoro cha maiso. Noni chegondo chega. To komanya unandengerete. Bantomba maiso ko miyo yerete manya ni pi. Na woka nganko mwana umuntu wetu kumbe tayo sole tayo pi igo irangora bintu byangora irangora bantomba maiso ko myo etamanye ni ayo mungino oliye muzuba tuli ndigereti ai
Bagaka ninjo ninjo rembe ninjo dorome mangana man bagina ninjo.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamugusi
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya buatuka uchase abaonya aiga mtukwate showroom asura achabwe ligirilia mabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogo kiriso yao chingagi ogoswasa nigo kurigiria amabati aiga mtukwate etime tembo abuwe bawe kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebelie kende gensi uragania bagotebelia company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na wigo ayuwe gabwata chi profile net gauges au na mono babwata nomo corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigech emingo tato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro na sato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani gabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwe mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya bwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumuka chinga cyo gwakerenya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onare kwa bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo chane warrant na wigo ayo orakoburu kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex iliyo muchirigo busongo iyo range neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngutuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singo traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamugusi
karibu nando mwanju muligera litogendera ne kyonga chinsa ibere omwasiri buburendi bwa ime monske Onesimus Kipchumba murukomene niganya kabaga ko enekia abuna nigo abanyanyimbo barachikoli kwa ase murubali bwa bane no bwasioko monske murukomene nigali kwa na iga chinga kyanya kabaga ko chake ebirwaniro byekerero byanyara kabaga ko na gochia ase sikose kyombikia abanyanyimbo kolengana murukomene boygo nigatana ebyombe byonsi kelikia National Police Service namona poani watera na kwa nake buna obokali ngane kubole ase birango bisaine go cheso mwananchi
budgetary resources in the next financial year, and soon we will be announcing the recruitment exercise, and that recruitment exercise I've been assured this time round we are going to because it was the recommendation of the task force that we must also do this recruitment in a more transparent manner. We are working together with the National Police Service Commission to make sure that technology is deployed to protect our citizens and to make sure that nobody is conned during recruitment exercise, and that all the citizens of this republic will see a more transparent recruitment exercise that will ensure that those officers who will come to office are those who are going to be able to have come through integrity and continue serving integrity. Another issue I want to speak about this time is to say, Mr. Chaiji, that the reforms will continue. The continuous training will lead to greater discipline in the National Police Service. And I have no doubt in my mind, I want to say here that for the period I have served, I have seen a very
na mwanju muri go korera nigo omukonyi bumurayi bwense muske Professor Pram Githure Kindiki anyaraka bagakonekia buna nigo o serikali ere nemirobeli ayo guchukana kibuna obole miweka gongukina bole na bali miweke mali kingo nyara bale ovaida gosingo nyara bale diga saligi ya korwase ebikore byabo gose obole miwabo.
The Kenya Kwanza administration was elected on the basis of a manifesto. That manifesto requires us to ensure that we increase incomes and the value in to farmers and other players in the coffee sector. Agriculture is a big plank of that manifesto. Then we have about 19 value chains in agriculture and livestock and fisheries, and one of those value chains is coffee. In the meantime, the introduction of the trade of coffee at the Nairobi Coffee Exchange has already yielded some fruits. And as I said, if you compare the last 3 years, where the return per kilogram of cherry was 60 shillings in 2022, 80 shillings in 2023, 100 shillings in 2024, is likely.
Mwanju muri liko ikirabo na tokorera ekionga chinsa ibere ncheni ngongoro kwa runyo toto nyangiri koronse memeyerilio nigakoro kwa uzo makoli nabo iko kwenyera tu nigoto kwenda ense moelio mutemoko togera nsa mya kabere nigoto gochikomera na amono mujita kurwa senya gitaria World Fit Health Center tonyaga batoko kwa na igoro yokomenya okuja kebo chenu mujita nigakoro Dr. Kena Mose Ontarigo igoto nyaraka ba gogosko chiare.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarwa South Nyanza ya ncheri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya buatuka uchase abaonya aiga mtukwate showroom asura achabu